All of this, though, really starts with understanding the concept of biotemperament. So, Caroline, why don't you start out by sharing with folks what is biotemperament?
Everybody has a biotemperament, and it's actually just a genetic and biological predisposition that affects everybody's perception and ability to regulate emotions.
When you talk about biotemperament and when we're talking through cases and clients, what the language that I've learned from you is you talk about people either being on one end or the other of sort of this spectrum, right? So there's a range and people can fall along this range, but basically it's from being really under controlled to being very over controlled, right?
I also think of it along a linear continuum, but it's actually a pretty robust series of traits and biological qualities. But yeah, it does sort of go from one side of things to another side of things with a whole range of things in the middle. And we're used to trying to be in therapy to try and control a bunch of things that are out of control. But under controlled individuals usually have a biotemperament where they have a lot of impulsive behavior, or their behavior may be mood dependent. They're very sensitive emotionally. Relatively small events happen, but they have sort of an outsized or large emotional response to that. And that's not just because of trauma or that some sort of life event has taught them to have this outsized emotional response, but that they have a biotemperamental predisposition to being emotionally sensitive to start with.